Hello everyone. I am Anusha, working as an assistant professor of CSE department. Uh, Today we are going to see about sixth sense technology. Okay, let's move. Now we will see about introduction of sixth sense technology. We will explore the fascinating world of the sixth sense and how it is being brought to life. Get ready to delve into the realm of possibilities and discover the extraordinary potential of this concept. Next, defining the sixth sense. The sixth sense refers to the ability to perceive information beyond the five traditional senses. It involves tapping into our innate intuition and accessing subtle cues from the environment. By expanding our perception, we can unlock a new level of awareness that goes beyond what meets the eyes. Next, we will move on historical perspectives. Throughout history, the concept of the sixth sense has intrigued philosophers, mystics, and scientists alike. From ancient civilization to modern times, there are a number of references to these extraordinary abilities. By exploring its historical roots, we gain a deeper understanding of its significance in human consciousness. The next topic is the science behind the sixth sense. Advancement in neuroscience and psychology have shed light on the scientific basis of the sixth sense. Research suggests that it involves the integration of sensory information and the subconscious processing and pattern recognition. By studying the underlying mechanism, we can unravel the mysteries of the enigmatic sense. Applications in everyday life. The sixth sense has practical application that can enhance our daily lives. From intuitive decision making to heightened perception, it offers a new dimension of experience. By harnessing this innate ability, we can navigate the world with increased awareness and tap into our full potential. The next topic is technological advancements. Emerging technologies are bridging the gap between the concept and reality of the sixth sense. Innovations such as augmented reality, wearable devices, and brain-computer interfaces are enabling us to enhance our senses and expand our perception. The future holds exciting possibilities for integrating technology with our innate abilities. Next, ethical consideration. With great power comes great responsibility. The development of the sixth sense raises ethical consideration regarding privacy, consent, and the potential misuse of this enhanced perception. As we navigate this uncharted territory, it is crucial to address these concerns and ensure that the benefits of the sixth sense are harnessed responsibly. The future of the sixth sense. The future holds immense potential for the sixth sense. As technology advances and our understanding deepens, we can anticipate further integration of this concept into our daily lives. By embracing the possibilities, we can unlock the full extent of our human capabilities and embark on a transformative journey of self. Finally, in conclusion, the sixth sense unveiled bridging the gap between concept and reality has taken us on a captivating exploration of the sixth sense. We have seen how this extraordinary concept has evolved throughout history and how science and technology are bringing it closer to reality. Let us embrace the potential of the sixth sense and embark on a journey of discovery and self-realization. Thank you everyone.